More and more, we're moving towards a low-tox, all-natural home because there's so many positive benefits for your health. The simplest way to do that is by changing over your cleaners. It's one move with big impact. I'm going to show you how ridiculously easy it is to make powerful cleaning products at home. The main ingredient as your base is going to be some nice cold-pressed essential oils. If you invest in cold-pressed, it means that you'll have strong disinfectant and antibacterial power, so it will sort out most areas of the home. A little goes a long way with essential oils, meaning you can make many batches and the overall cost per use becomes really affordable. You'll also be avoiding store-bought harsh chemical cleaners. Today, we're going to make 3 all-natural cleaners: a disinfectant, an all-purpose cleaner, and a toilet cleaner. For your all-natural disinfectant, it really doesn't get easier than this. You're just putting 5 drops each of 2 essential oils, peppermint and then Arbonne's Warrior Blend, which has beautiful things like clove, citrus, and rosemary. Pop them into your glass spray bottle and fill with water. It's as simple as that. Now onto the all-important all-purpose cleaner. You'll need 3/4 of a cup of white vinegar, 10 drops of your lemon essential oil, and half a teaspoon of liquid soap. Add them all into your glass bottle, give it a shake, and spray anywhere you need to clean.
To tackle your toilets, you'll need 1 cup of white vinegar, a tablespoon of baking soda, and 10 drops of tea tree oil, a great antibacterial agent. Sprinkle the baking soda into your toilet bowl, add the essential oil and scrub. Then add in your vinegar and scrub as needed. Flush when you're done.